What's up, guys? I wanted to do an update on the Gladiator since I've gotten some new upgrades done recently. If you're familiar with it, it's a 2022 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon that I put in a 6.6 liter V8 and a 8 HP 75 transmission. Bruiser conversions. DV8 LED headlights. Motobilt Tomahawk front bumper with a Warren 10 VR winch. Nemesis Industries Highline narrow flares. They're Krawler flares, but then Highlines. They're inner fender liners. Fox shocks. Currently it's sitting at 2 inches of lift. 40-inch Nitto trail grapplers, 17-inch Dirty Life bead locks, Rock Krawler aluminum upper control arms, Synergy lower control arms because I like the adjustability and I like the joint better. Sorry, Jeremy. Adams 1350 front drive shaft, Adams 1410 rear drive shaft, Artec skid plates, 3-inch stainless steel exhaust, and there's a cutout running 2 AFE mufflers and a resonator that I put in. Rock Krawler rear, they're standard with the track bar, not the Pro X system. Had it on originally, then when I got the new axles, it didn't come with it, so I threw these on and I was later going to swap over. So I have Fusion 14 bolt rear axle, 40 spline, ARB locker, Oral Coil LED tail lights, same concept, Nemesis Highline Krawler flares, no inner fender liner on the rears. I just went ahead and painted it black so it blends and matches. Just running a stock Rubicon rock slider for right now. Nemesis, and they hooked it up on this one, which is pretty rad. The Nemesis body armor that I had paint matched, but it's got my Jurassic Jeep, so love that. 5% tinted side windows and rear window. Most expensive and most important, antenna, haha, LOL. The front is a Fusion 60 Kingpin RCVs. These have 513 gears. So it has the Fusion 1.75 steering. Then I have an RPM track bar. Works best for clearing the differential. Did the RCVs on this because it has the optional full-time four-wheel drive, so you need to have a CV of some sort, otherwise your U-joints are going to have a bad day. Anti-rock front sway bar. Let's see here. Inside, the plan was to do brown leather, but it's kind of been put on hold. Obviously, I went with, axles and everything else. Pretty standard inside here. I did I think they were the Terra Acoustics speakers up there. Then we have the bullet point dash. This is my exhaust cutout opener and close. Spiderweb shade, which is always one of my first and favorite mods to put on any vehicle I ever get. You can kind of see it, the American flag on the other side, and then the back, you can kind of see it, has a Core Off-Road logo stitched into it, but inside's pretty standard. Nothing special. I do have the carpet delete, which is one of my favorites. Not only do I think it looks better, but it helps substantially with the heat, and it helps a lot with the sound, and obviously I have a V8, so it makes a big difference there. The only downside that I hate is, obviously I just stepped in with my Croc and it's dusty and I just cleaned this, is it shows dirt. so easily. Every time you step in there, it shows dirt. So it is what it is. But yeah, guys, since last video was different suspension and the 1-ton axles. 72-inch wide, in case you're wondering. 4.75 backspace wheels on the 40 with the narrow flares. You can see how much they stick out. If you want more coverage, Nemesis has high lines with more coverage that's there. But yeah, guys, if you have any questions, comment them down below. If you're liking the Jeep so far, give me a thumbs up. All right, we'll see you next video.